Hey guys, welcome back. I'm in the backyard and today I'm making over this patio and almost everything is from the dollar store. I have a lot of tips to share with you, so let's get started. Flowers are expensive, but ferns are cheap. So you can make your fern or a flower pot look even more expensive by making a raised planter. So you do this by taking you can even use garbage pails from the dollar store. I have seen this, but these are from the dollar store. They're just pots, and I'm adding some E6000 to the top, and I'm going to stack them for an instant raised planter. In the past, I've added a patio stone on top of these as well, like a dollar store patio stone, and it makes a perfect side table. But add a plant or a fern, something, and you have a really expensive looking raised planter. More inexpensive plants that are hard to kill and great for outdoors are palms, which you can get for around $10 at grocery stores right now, and these Easter lilies. They are unkillable. When decorating your patio, don't forget to bring a little of the indoors out. So I like using old blankets, lots of outdoor throw pillows. These are inexpensive. They add a great pop of color, and it just looks so inviting. My dollar store had this great tray and this water bottle. It looks like crystal, but of course it's plastic, and some outdoor glasses. This is a great way to add some color, but actual function to your patio decor. Both the Dollar Tree and Dollarama have so many different outdoor placemats in lots of different colors right now, and I think they are a must for your outdoor table. I'm adding a dollar store pot, 2 dollar store watering cans, some bottles, and succulents for a fast and inexpensive centerpiece. I used some dollar store hooks to screw onto a fence post and adding dollar store buckets where I've drilled holes in the bottom for some organization. This is where we store sunscreen, bug spray, the lighter we use for candles. All of the little outdoor things have a spot to go. And these are actually hose holders from the dollar store, these metal baskets. They're meant for hoses. I put them on a piece of wood that I had painted red. I used my Cricut to add some words, and it's the perfect spot for flip-flops. So we have a dog, so you have to have a spot for flip-flops at the back door. If you're like me and you don't have a green thumb, it's okay to add some fake plants to your outdoor decor too. The dollar store has really cool fake plants, fake succulents. I spray them with a clear shellac and I go ahead and mix them with real plants all together in the pot for a really lush look. I definitely love these little gnomes too, also from the dollar store. It just adds a little whimsy to your patio. Citronella candles are a must buy from the dollar store. Not only do they smell great, they work so good, but they're a fraction of the price of the ones you're going to find at the big box store. I especially love these ones that you can stick into plants to keep those pesky bugs away. All of our patio furniture was bought either secondhand or on clearance. I'm all about saving a dime, and shopping the dollar store is a perfect way to add lots of color without spending a lot of time or money. So get your patio ready for summer today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired to add some pops of color to your back patio. Don't be afraid to shop the dollar store. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I want chickens so bad, you guys. I want chickens, and I want a goat, and I love the idea of a hobby farm, and I'm trying to convince Joe to let me have chickens in the backyard for like the past 5 years, and he's like, no, you won't feed them, you'll forget about them, chickens are a lot of work, you can't go on vacation, and I don't even like eggs. I don't know. I have this is what I do. I'm like, in my mind, I want to live off the land. I want to be one of those people who like grows my own food and stuff. But in reality, I have a giant garden that just goes to weed and I forget to deal with every single year, and most of the stuff rots on the vines. I have herb pots and lettuce pots and lots of strawberries growing. Every year I'm like, that's it, man. I'm gonna just have fresh herbs in my garden, and it's a beautiful pot. I always forget. I use the dried stuff from the grocery store every time I cook because I forget to walk my lazy butt out here and pick fresh herbs. So like, let me know if you're like this, if you have this idea of your perfect self or your fantasy self and you want to buy things or like do things, but the truth is that really isn't you. I'm not a fresh salad from a garden girl. I'm a salad kit from Walmart girl. Let's just be honest. So I'm probably never getting chickens. Thank goodness for Joe. But anyways, I thought I'd share that with you because I'm weird. I'll see you guys next time.